The Capital One Cash Caper. When will you see that green? Ever stare at your Capital One account balance with that sinking feeling? You know that paycheck, transfer, or deposit should be there, but it's MIA. Fear not, fellow Capital One adventurers. We've all been there, frantically refreshing the app, wondering when those funds will finally appear. But fret no more. Today, we're cracking the code on Capital One's release times. We'll unveil the secrets behind that mysterious funds availability and answer the burning question, when exactly will Capital One release your hard-earned cash? Now, the answer depends on how you got that money in your account. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey through the different deposit methods Capital One offers. Depositing like a boss, unveiling the release schedule. First stop, mobile deposits. These are super convenient, but there's a little waiting game involved. If you submit your mobile deposit by 9 p.m. Eastern Time on a business day, you can usually expect the funds to be available by the next business day. However, there can sometimes be extended holds placed on deposits, so keep an eye out for notifications from Capital One. Feeling old school? Let's talk about checks. Deposits made in person at a Capital One branch are generally available the next business day. But if you're depositing a check drawn on another bank, brace yourself for a slightly longer wait. Those typically take 4 business days to clear. Now, for the speed demons, electronic transfers between your Capital One accounts are the Usain Bolt of deposits. They're instantaneous, meaning you'll see that money zip into your account right away. External transfers, patience is a virtue. Need to get some cash in from another bank account? External transfers can take a bit longer. The wait time depends on the other bank's processing speed, but it generally falls within 3 to 5 business days. The VIP treatment, direct deposits and wires. Now, let's talk about the privileged few, those with direct deposits or incoming domestic wire transfers. If you're lucky enough to fall into this category, you're in for a treat. Direct deposits and domestic wire transfers received by 5 p.m. Eastern Time on a business day are usually available immediately. Consider yourself a cash ninja, able to access your funds with lightning speed. Cash is king, but sometimes needs to wait. Craving the satisfaction of cold, hard cash? Cash deposits made at a Capital One ATM are generally available on the same business day. But remember, even ATMs have business hours. The key takeaway, know your deposit method. The key to navigating Capital One's release times is understanding how you deposited your funds. For most deposits, you can expect to see the money in your account by the next business day. But there are exceptions, so always check Capital One's deposit timelines or their handy mobile app for specific details. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.